Hello students, today we will discuss about language laboratory. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लैंग्वेज लेबोरेटरी. ओके, लैंग्वेज लेबोरेटरी are becoming better viewed within the educational institution since the functions and possibilities they offer are much higher than the ones in the traditional teaching learning systems. The language laboratory integrates the method we want to use, allowing for the development of a large number of different activities in the classroom, the communications between teachers and students, using multimedia materials etc., taking into account at the same time the function and the control software. ओके, स्कूलों में प्रयोगशालाएं केवल विज्ञान विषयों से जुड़ी हुई हो सकती हैं. ये विशिष्ट विषयों पर प्रयोग करने के लिए उनके कार्यस्थल के रूप में कार्य करता है. हालांकि ये भाषा सीखने के लिए भी आवश्यक है. ये छात्रों को शब्दों के उच्चारण के तरीके में सुधार करता है जब भी ये आवश्यक हो जाता है. शिक्षक द्वारा सही किए जाने का एक अवसर भी प्रदान करता है. आमतौर पर भारत में विज्ञान विषयों के लिए प्रयोगशालाओं का उपयोग किया जाता है. तकनीकी प्रगति और शिक्षण और सीखने के पश्चिमी मॉडलों के में संपर्क के साथ कॉलेजों में भाषा प्रयोगशालाओं के विकास में तेजी आई है. भाषा प्रयोगशाला एक श्रव्य या दृश्य श्रव्य संस्थापन है जिसका उपयोग आधुनिक भाषा शिक्षण में सहायता के रूप में किया जाता है. ये अन्य स्थानों के अलावा स्कूलों, विश्वविद्यालयों, अकेडमियों में पाए जाते हैं. वर्तमान संस्थापन सामान्यतः मल्टीमीडिया पेशी होते हैं. मूल भाषा प्रयोगशालाएं अब बहुत पुरानी हो चुकी हैं. उन्होंने एक शिक्षक को निश्चित स्थानों पर साउंड बूथ के साथ हार्ड वायर्ड एनालॉग टेप डेक आधारित सिस्टम के माध्यम से छात्र ऑडियो सुनने और प्रबंधित करने की अनुमति दी थी. अमेरिकन हेरिटेज डिक्शनरी फोर्ड के अनुसार भाषा प्रयोगशाला है विदेशी भाषा सीखने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया एक कमरा और टेप रिकॉर्डर, वीडियो कैसेट रिकॉर्डर या मॉनिटरिंग उपकरणों से जुड़े कंप्यूटर से सुसज्जित हैं जो प्रशिक्षक को व्यक्तिगत रूप से समूह के रूप में छात्रों को सुनने और बोलने में सक्षम बनाता है. वेबस्टर न्यू वर्ल्ड कॉलेज डिक्शनरी की भाषा प्रयोगशाला की परिभाषा है एक कक्षा जिसमें विदेशी भाषा सीखने वाले छात्र ध्वनि और शब्द पैटर्न का अभ्यास व्यक्तिगत रूप से या तो ऑडियो उपकरण आदि की सहायता से पर्यवेक्षण के तहत किया जाता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट है मेन फीचर्स ऑफ लैंग्वेज लेबोरेटरी. ओके, some of the outstanding features of language laboratory are language immersion, attention to diversity, teamwork promotion. This language laboratory encourages participation and integration of the students in different exercises, and this is reflected in the various activities like the time it takes from the students to speak in another language during the class. The language labs offer a number of advantages over the traditional teaching systems. It allows several students to talk and interact at the same time, can record all these interventions and send different exercises to different groups of students, work with media etc. In addition, that the use of the language lab allows students to have access to the information quickly and easily, developing many types of classroom exercise, personalizing the learning process, encouraging creativity, innovation and training. The language laboratories favor a high degree of skill development, team and collaborative work, eliminating socio-temporal barriers since information is not found in a particular and specific place. Fosters digital literacy, responding to new educational and social needs. नेक्स्ट है एडवांटेज ऑफ लैंग्वेज लेबोरेटरी. ओके, इसके क्या लाभ हैं? यानी डायरेक्ट साउंड ट्रांसमिशन. द डायरेक्ट साउंड ट्रांसमिशन गिव्स स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइडेंस फ्रॉम द टीचर टू द हेड्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स विद अ क्रिस्टल क्लियर क्लैरिटी. नेक्स्ट, बेटर अटेंशन. The language lab software is very attention enthralling for the students where they are engaged with individual system. Next, enhances pace of comprehension. The laboratory increases the pace of comprehension as the coaching of the student is based on the level of the study. Next, regulates the idea. The lab regulates the language through the different thoughts created in the mind of the students. Next, effective learning. The lab provides to learn the foreign language in a focused setting that eliminates the feelings of self-consciousness. Next, focus veracity. The audio and video can easily be integrated by using text that can easily be actually integrated in everyday situations. Next, provide guidance. It is easy to guide the groups by monitoring each student independently without disturbing the other students. Okay. Next is self-evaluation. The students can do a periodical self-evaluation to measures the progress as well as evaluate that language with that of the expert. Next is self-learning. The access to resources beyond the timetable encourages independent learning. Laboratories in schools might only be associated with science subjects. This serves as their workplace to experiment on specific subjects. However, this is also necessary for language learning. This provides an avenue for the students to improve the way they pronounce the words and be corrected by the teacher whenever necessary. Generally, laboratories were used in India for the science subjects with technological advancement and exposure to Western models of teaching and learning. There has been a spurt in the growth of language laboratories in colleges. The language laboratory is an audio or audiovisual installation used as an aid in modern language teaching. They can be found amongst other places in schools, universities and academies. Perhaps the first lab was at University of Grenoble in the 1950s up until the 1990s. They were tape-based system using reel-to-reel or laterally cassette current. Installations are generally multimedia PCS. The original language labs are now very outdated. They allow a teacher to listen to and manage students' audio via a hard wired analog tape deck based systems with sound booths in fixed locations. According to American Heritage Dictionary, language laboratory is a room designed for learning foreign language and equipped with tape recorders, video cassette monitoring devices, enabling the instructor to listen and speak to the students individually or as a group. The Webster's New World College Dictionary definition of the language laboratory is a classroom in which students learning a foreign language can practice sound and word patterns individually or under supervision with the aid of audio equipment. Next, the characteristics of a good language laboratory. क्या क्या इसकी विशेषता हैं? There are different features of language lab which make the students to have interactive session. Few are summarized here. Okay. First, attention. क्या होना चाहिए? Attention होना चाहिए. Attention on subject is increased, resulting in better retentions of the concepts, as the language lab allows the students to listen to the program stimulus individually. Each individual student's attention is focused on the program material being studied, ultimately increasing the attention span of the students and teaching the student to listen and analyze the content of the lesson. Okay, next, building students' experience. Students can build on their Exciting experiences and gain further knowledge of computers while learning in the computer language lab. Practicing with systems, software, and new applications enhances exploitable skills. The more experiences students have with computer technology, the more successful they will be in the real world. Okay. Next, acoustics. It provides equal opportunity to all the students to hear the instructor, irrespective of place where they are seated. There will be less miscommunication because of direct nature of the sound. Transmission. The language lab provides all students, no matter where they are seated in the room, with equal opportunity to hear the instructor and to be heard by the instructor. None of the lesson material is misheard due to the direct nature of the sound transmission. Each student can listen to the lesson material at a level set by themselves for their own comfort. Okay. Next, improve discipline. The instructor can improve the discipline of the class by privately conversing with the individual students who are being objectionable, while utilizing a system of seat management and equipment faults or acts of minor vandalism can be reported by the next students entering the booth. If not reported by the student, they become the target of the investigation. When the next student enter the booth, students have great difficulty talking to each other when wearing headsets. Next, individualization. Labs provide the capability for dividing the class into several groups. These groups can be listening to matter and at different levels of interactivity. This setup fosters more interactive session between students and teacher. Okay. Thank you for watching.